Hi everyone, welcome back to Yedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on Huawei P30 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. Here we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. Take out the back cover and then remove the board bracket by undoing 9 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector. Next, move to the bottom and undo 7 screws that are securing the speaker and the bracket. Next, disconnect the antenna head and release the antenna. Next, pull out the bracket. Next, take out the speaker by disconnecting the plug. Next, take out the not working charging port board by disconnecting the antenna head, main flex, touch ID camera and headphone jack connectors. Next, place a new charging port board on the body. Next, secure the touch ID camera, headphone jack, main flex and the charging board's antenna head. Next, place the speaker and secure the connector. Next, place and connect the antenna head. Next, place the bracket and secure 7 screws. Next, secure the battery connector and then place the board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to fasten the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie in the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Huawei P30 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.